Good morning, student. This is Rahul Sharma, your German teacher. This is your first year of German. So maybe some students know me, some students are maybe new in this school. And this is your teacher, German teacher Rahul. And this is your first lecture. So let us talk about some facts about German language. To learn new languages, this is quite difficult to learn new language, but I will try to make it as a fun or make it easy for you. Let us talk some fact about German language. German comes from the same language family as English. German and English are both West Germanic language and share similar language DNA. This means that as an English speaker, you are going to have a much easier time to learn German. In fact, over 26% of English vocabulary has shared roots with German. From grammar, structure to vocabulary, it is quite similar to the English. Okay, and universities in German is free. Like you can study there with very few cost, within very few cost, or some universities are absolutely free for you. And there is more you can make more money in German. German is the most common language used in science. As in science, after English, German is the most common language we use in science. And let us take any luxury brand of car. For example, BMW, Audi, and Mercedes. They all are manufactured in Germany. I don't know about Audi, but BMW and Mercedes, Volkswagen, and that's all. They are manufactured and designed in Germany. And you can adopt a new way to connect and travel. Germany are literally everywhere. Even within the US, over 15% of Americans have German heritage, which is over 16 million people in the USA alone. Most importantly, because of the average income in Germany is higher than most other countries. Many of them travel abroad. It's likely that wherever you go in the Europe, North America, and other parts around the world, you will run into a German speaker. And most common language used in Europe Union also. And there is 26 countries in Europe Union, and German is the most common language used in European Union. That's all about German language. I hope you will learn you will learn it very well. Today we will start greetings in German. How do we greet someone? How do we wish someone in German language? That is, greetings is Begrüßung auf Deutsch. Begrüßung auf Deutsch is greetings in German. In the morning, as we wake up, like you are wake in the morning, as you saw someone, how do we wish that person in German? That is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is good morning. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Give attention to the pronunciation, students. It is Guten Morgen. G-U-T-E-N, Guten Morgen. Morgen is morning and Guten is good. That is good morning. And after 12, and here we used to wish good afternoon. But in German it will be Guten Tag. Good day. Guten Tag. Guten is good and Tag is day. And afternoon, after that we used to wish good evening. Yeah. Like it is good. Evening it will be guten Abend. That is guten Abend is good evening. Okay, and during night as we going to sleep, going to bed, we used to wish here good night, and it will be gute Nacht in German. Gute Nacht. See, here there is Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. But in Nacht it is Gute Nacht, only Gute. No N is there. No N is there in Gute Nacht. There is only Gute Nacht. Because it is feminine. That it will come later in your syllabus. Feminine, what is feminine, what is neutral, what is masculine. That will come later in your syllabus. Just learn Gute Nacht, Guten Abend, Guten Tag, Guten Morgen. And we also used to say sleep well. It is will be schon Schlaf or Schlaf schon. Schon Schlaf or Schlaf schon. Sleep well. Schon is well, Schlaf is to sleep. Sleep well. Okay, and there is more things like how do we say hello to someone. It is same as in English. In English we used to say hello, but in German it is hallo. Here A will come, and A will pronounce as A, so it will be hallo. And how do we say goodbye to someone? It is choose. Choose. This is for those who are well known to us, like our friend or family. We used to say choose. That is bye. There is one more thing. Auf Wiedersehen. Let me write it here. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Wieder is again, and Sehen is to see. That is see you soon or see you again. You can say see you soon or see you again. Okay, let me repeat it for you. Hello is hallo. Choose, bye. Auf Wiedersehen, see you again. Here there is no meaning of auf here, but still we have to use it. Use auf Wiedersehen, see you again. Okay, that's all for today. And this all you have to write in your fair notebook. As you know, your fair notebook is of green color. I will show you this. You have this color, German notebook. Is it visible for you properly? It is of green color. And just make a proper index with date and page number and your topic reducing of Deutsch, and write it in your fair notebook. Okay, all greetings, and your homework is to learn and write it again. Write it. Okay, that's all for today, and we will do this chapter, do this topic in next lecture. We'll cover it later. Thank you. Thank you so much.